In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new calendar event in Microsoft Outlook 2025. Whether you're scheduling a meeting, a personal appointment, or simply organizing your day, creating an event in Outlook is a straightforward process that can help you stay on top of your schedule. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to get this done efficiently. First, head over to Microsoft Outlook by opening your web browser and navigating to the Outlook website. If you already have Outlook installed on your device, you can also launch the application directly from your desktop. Once there, look towards the top right corner of your page. You should see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll need to log in using your email address and password. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to sign in with the account you want to use for this new calendar event. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's always an option to reset it. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Outlook dashboard. Now let's move on to finding the calendar. In the Outlook interface, you should see an option labeled Calendar, usually located on the left sidebar or along the top menu, depending on your interface version. Click on that and your calendar will open up, showing you either a daily, weekly, or monthly view. With your calendar displayed, it's time to select the date for your new event. Simply navigate to the day you want by clicking on the date in the calendar view. You can scroll through weeks or months if your event is not happening soon. Once you've found the right date, click on it to start creating your event. Here, you'll need to add a title for your event. Think of this as the headline that will quickly let you know what the event is about whenever you glance at your calendar. Whether it's team meeting, doctor's appointment, or lunch with friends, a clear and concise title is key. Inviting attendees is optional but a helpful step if your event involves others. There's typically a section where you can add email addresses to send invitations. Outlook allows your attendees to reply with their availability, making it easier for everyone to coordinate. Adding a description to your event is another step you might consider. This is where you can provide additional details, like the meeting agenda, or any materials attendees should review in advance. It can be as detailed or as brief as you like. Finally, after you've reviewed all the details and made sure everything is set up the way you want, look for the Save or Create button and click it. Your new event should now appear on your calendar, and any invited attendees will receive an invitation email. And that's it, you've successfully created a new calendar event in Microsoft Outlook 2025. Whether it's a simple reminder or a detailed meeting schedule, Outlook makes managing your time a breeze. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.